Hey everyone, today we're diving into Windsurf AI, a next-gen AI-powered code editor designed to supercharge your development workflow. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, this IDE promises to take your coding efficiency to the next level with AI-powered features like deep context awareness and also multi-file editing. So by the end of the tutorial, you know how to install, set up, and use Windsurf AI powerful features to make coding easier and faster. So let's get started. So first things first, we're just going to head over the official website right here. So you just want to click here, then experience Windsurf AI IDE. Then you're gonna go here. Then you're just gonna go download. Then go download for .64 if you're using a Windows, and ARM64 if you're using a Mac OS. So that's pretty important. Then also you need to log in. You need to log in your account, set up your coding environment, and explore the UI. Then after that, you're just going to go and open the exe and set it up. You're just going to click and read the TOS, the terms of services, and also where you want to install. So it's pretty self-explanatory, but I already set up mine. So after that, AI code suggestion auto completion. Windsurf's AI suggests code snippets as you type, make coding faster and more efficient. So we're just going to go and open Cascade here. So this is our AI companion or AI agent. You're just going to type whatever you want. Let's say, hey, make me a Python code that calculates my BMI and also show my results if I am underweight or obese. There we go. And more. There we go. Then just gonna enter again. It's gonna go generate that. And I'm also using, you can use a lot of AI stuff here. There's like non-premium and premium. DeepSeek is free, but there's a lot of credits here. So you only have 50 credits. You can check this on your Codinium website if you use all of the credits here. But the non-premium Cascade base is free, so you can still keep using this without the, that without the credits and stuff. So here is our code. So we have BMI here. So we have BMI weight, BMI thing. We have normal weight, underweight, over obese. So this is the normal one right here. So we're just gonna run this Python code right here. And there we go. kg, I am 60 kilograms, and I am in meters 1.8 1.60, and my BMI is 23.44, and I'm in normal weight. So that's pretty cool. So I'm not sure how there we go. Here is the autocomplete. As I was saying, thank you for using BMI calculator. There we go. So that is pretty cool. So we have that. You can also like put instruction here. Hey, can you add a GUI element? There we go. We're just gonna wait for that. There we go. Then it's gonna add the GUI element right here. So that's pretty cool. We're just going to accept, and we're just going to run that thing right here right now. So we have our GUI element here. So it generated here, class BMI GUI right here. We're just going to close this, and we're just going to run the Python file. Will not convert float. Okay, we have some issues here. So if we face some issues, we can just can you fix my code right here? We're just gonna type that. So provide the code that needs fixing. Could not convert to float string. So there we go. We're just gonna put it here. We're just gonna copy paste this error right here. It's good that we had an error, so we can could not convert string to float. String to float. There we go. Now it's gonna implement the fix right here. Then it's just gonna automatically type or like automatically put the code that we need here. So we're just gonna see it's editing right here. It's generating, added an error handling to calculate BMI. Then we're just gonna go here. So we have our kg here. Let's go. But our the GUI is not working. So we're just gonna, I think we need to manually download it here on the terminal. GUI, no, it's not working. I'm just gonna say it's not working right here. So it's not, the GUI element cannot be seen. There we go. It said they may be should the GUI elements be later display. Ensure that all weights are widgets are calculated. There we go. So now it's gonna edit our GUI here. It's edited now. It's generating again. It's going to fix this, so that's pretty cool. Run command, accept. There we go. Check Python installation. I have Python though. Python was not found. No, I have Python. Okay. So, anyways, it works, but if you do have issues, you just like there we go. Welcome to BOY 12 1 point. So it kind of works, but I think I have an issue in my, there we go, BMI calculator right here. So it's working now. I don't know how, but it's not working. So my weight in kg, let's try it again. So we have 60. Now height 1.56. Then we're just going to calculate. There we go, normal height. That's pretty cool. You can also choose for some reason, so that's pretty flawed, but pretty nice. So yeah, guys, that is our BMI calculator, or that is our Windsurf AI tutorial. If you guys like that tutorial, be sure to like and subscribe to the channel and turn on the notification. And as always, I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye bye.